comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam, back with another house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the swirl. All right, so jumping into the technique of this one, how I'm gonna start this one is I'm just gonna start with a toe tap, okay? So let's just start with the toe tap motion. Let's get that into the body and understand the timing, and then we're gonna add in the jack, okay? So with this, what I'm gonna start with is my right leg. I'm gonna go touch, out, right? So touch, out. I'm going in, out, and then in, out. Ha, 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 ha. Da, 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 okay? Now you'll see, as you do this, you kind of have to be able to have that tap and that weight transfer, you have to lift up. So I'm going up on my toe here on this foot to go tap, to go down, to go tap, to go down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, okay? Now we're gonna add in the swivel. So the swirl has this like kind of figure eight swivel happening in the move as well. So when we do this, my body is going to be turning each way as I tap. So when I tap here, I'm gonna turn my body and step down here. Turn down, turn down, turn down, okay? So I twist, step, okay? Still going up on that toe, down, toe, down. So now progressing the step even further, now we're gonna add in the rotation of the knees. So this is also really, really important to this step. So when I step into this, I'm finding this here. So I'm gonna step, and when I step out, I'm thinking about this knee going out. Step out, ha ha. Boom, 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 boom. I have this step up here, knee is out, step up, knee is out, okay? Now the last thing with this to really, really feel the groove and feel the flow within this step is having this up and down, all right? So just like I taught in the heel step video, which if you haven't seen that, you can check that out right there. In the heel step video, the technique that I showed you was that as you go into that heel, you're gonna go up on your toe and you're gonna drop into the heel. And we're gonna do the same thing with the swirl. So as I come up into this step, I'm gonna drop that heel. So the heel is gonna step the same time as the toe. Boom, boom, okay? So I go boom, boom. So now my rhythm is 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, okay? That's the feet, and now we add the swivel into it. 1 and, 2 and, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. And what I'm doing is I'm really twisting my hips and twisting my upper body to find that flow. Boom, 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 boom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that is the swirl.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want more in-depth training with house, I have a brand new choreography class that I just put out in my membership here on YouTube. If you want to check that out, you can click the join button down below. Within the membership, you get access to all of the classes I have available, as well as monthly feedback on videos that you can send me, and I'll give you some critiques to help you on your dance journey. Now, if this video has helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.